Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the news sprint and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. Overnight airstrikes in the southern Gaza Strip led to 62 reported casualties. Simultaneously, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken engaged in talks in Egypt, discussing reforms with Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas to reunite Gaza and the West Bank. A UN resolution called for an immediate ceasefire. Accusations of genocidal acts against Israel were presented at the UN. The ongoing complex battlefield has caused a humanitarian crisis in Gaza. The conflict erupted with unprecedented Hamas attacks on October 7, resulting in a devastating toll. Efforts for peace and relief are underway amidst the challenging circumstances. In response to recurring controversies over Republic Day parade tableau selections, the Defense Ministry suggested a 3-year rollover plan, allowing all states and union territories a chance within this period. 28 states, including Karnataka, have signed the memorandum. Despite opposition claimed discrimination, an expert committee independent of the government finalizes themes and aesthetics. The move aims for equitable distribution and encourages new talent through 30 empaneled agencies for tableau design and fabrication. A decision from a Delhi court regarding the acceptance of a police report which proposes the cancellation of a complaint filed by a minor wrestler against former Wrestling Federation of India chief and BJP MP Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh for alleged sexual harassment is expected on March 2. Additional Sessions Judge Chavi Kapoor, originally set to announce the order today, mentioned the need for some clarifications in the matter. The Delhi police submitted a report to the court on June 15, 2023, seeking the closure of the case initiated by the girl. The closure report was filed following the girl's father's assertion that she had filed the complaint against Singh due to perceived injustice done to her. 3 Muslim youths were arrested in Karnataka for barging into a hotel room in Hangal, assaulting an interfaith couple in an incident of moral policing. A viral video captured the men beating the couple, questioning their morality and dragging them out. The women's family filed a complaint, leading to the arrest of Aftab Maqbool Ahmed, Chandan Katti, Samiullah Lalanwar and Muhammad Isaf Mandakki. Former CM Baswaraj Bommai condemned the incident, highlighting reports of subsequent sexual assault on the women. Bommai called for the arrest and punishment of all involved in this reprehensible act. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah supports the Congress High Command's choice to abstain from the Ayodhya Ram Temple consecration, criticizing the BJP for politicizing the religious event. Accusing PM Modi and Sangh Parivar leaders of disrespecting Lord Ram, Siddaramaiah emphasizes the Congress' consistent support for the temple's construction while condemning the alleged hypocrisy of BJP, RSS and BHP in accepting the court's decision. He condemns divisive politics, accuses Modi of diversion tactics and stresses the importance of interfaith equality. The Chief Minister urges commitment to constitutional ideals for a peaceful society. In Madikeri, Karnataka, a 13-year-old tiger was discovered dead in a coffee estate, displaying injuries on its left paw and shoulder. Forest officials suspected it might have succumbed to injuries from a territorial fight. Authorities had sought to capture the tiger due to its conflict situation and age. Despite efforts to examine and possibly treat the limping tiger, it was found dead. The post-mortem conducted under NTCA protocol aimed to determine the exact cause of death, emphasizing injuries sustained in a potential territorial clash with another big cat. Reliance Green Hydrogen and Green Chemicals, ACME Clean Tech Solutions and Greenco Zero are among the successful bidders for government incentive to establish facilities capable of producing up to 4.50 lakh tons of green hydrogen. Out of 12 qualified bids for incentives to set up production facilities totaling 5,49,500 tons of green hydrogen, only 9 were selected against the offered capacity of 4,50,000 tons. The National Green Hydrogen Mission NGHM, approved by the Union Cabinet in January 2023 with a budget of rupees 19,744 crores, aims to position India as a global manufacturing hub for this eco-friendly energy source. By 2030, the mission is anticipated to facilitate the development of 5 million metric tons of green hydrogen annually. Its goal is to establish India as a prominent global center for the production, utilization and export of green hydrogen and its derivatives. On Thursday, Rhythm Sangwan achieved a significant feat by winning a bronze medal in the 25-meter sports pistol category at the Asia Olympic qualifiers, making her the 16th Indian shooter to secure a quota place for the 2024 Paris Olympics. This accomplishment ensures that India will be sending its largest ever shooting contingent to the global event scheduled for July-August this year. The previous record was set at the 2020 Tokyo Olympic Games, where India had a squad of 15 shooters. 3 shooters, Isha Singh and Varun Tomar, both in 10-meter air pistol, and now Rhythm have secured quota slots for the country so far. The Boxing Federation of India (BFI), in collaboration with the power company RAC Limited, is set to host the Western Open Talent Hunt program at the Army Sports Institute in Pune. Scheduled from January 12 to 19, the competition is for the elite and youth categories. BFI has planned 4 open preliminary tournaments nationwide, covering elite youth, junior and sub-junior categories for both male and female boxers. Participants also stand a chance to secure a wildcard entry for national camps, providing a unique opportunity to train and compete at the highest level under the guidance of experienced coaches. The southern and eastern tournaments are slated for Bengaluru January 28 to February 13 and Guwahati February 28 to March 15 respectively. OpenAI's GPT store is now live, offering a marketplace exclusively for paid ChatGPT users to buy and sell specialized chatbot agents. This platform allows users to create unique chatbots with personalized themes, from salary negotiation to lesson planning. Over 3 million customized ChatGPT versions have already been generated, and OpenAI plans to showcase useful tools weekly. In the first quarter of this year, they will introduce a revenue sharing program compensating builders based on user engagement. This store is accessible to premium subscribers, including the new $25 per user per month team subscription, allowing customization for team needs. Those were the key updates for today. Stay informed by tuning into Daily Salar Digital, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more timely updates.